Hi, have you been frustrated with your laptop? Is your hard drive gone, dead, making swirly sounds? Well, I've got the solution for you. First of all, you'll need one of these tools, the infamous glove. Right? Give the keys a little tap. You know, maybe something will work. If that doesn't work, you'll get your trusty old habit. Give a little tap on the side. Maybe that will help things out a little bit. Just may help things work a little bit more. Get your frustrations out, you know. It'll make things a little bit better. Then all your lost data, it really doesn't matter then, because this old piece of junk laptop doesn't matter anymore. You can always get a new one. So there it is, Laptop Repair 101. Thanks.